You need to watch this if you've ever reached over and honked someone else's horn. I don't think folks realize this could actually get you busted. So picture this. You're hanging out, your friend leaves the car running, and you just can't resist. But here's the kicker. In a bunch of places, it's actually illegal to honk someone else's car horn. That's right, you could end up with a ticket, or even a run-in with the law, all because you wanted to pull a quick prank. And trust me, but officer, it was just a joke. Doesn't hold up too well. So next time you get the urge to honk and run, maybe just don't. Or at least make sure it's car. Alright, be honest, have you ever honked a horn and run away? Drop your story in the comments. I know y'all got some good ones.